Hi, today I'm now going to explain about how to create a chatbot in Telegram using Weather API. Here, first we have to go to the Telegram and search for the bot father account. Here we should always open the bot father account which having the tick symbol. After opening the bot father account, here we have to use command slash start. It will give a message which consists of so many commands like start and my boat, new boat, and set name, which is used to modify and edit your own boat. Here I will give the command slash new boat, which creates a new boat for me, and it also asks for a name to your chatbot. After it also asks you to choose a username. Here username is very specific because username should be coincide with others, so it should be very specific. It asks us to give only a specific names. After giving your specific username, and it will give you a message called message with token. Its token actually it is HTTP API. It's actually links to our chatbot, and we have to copy it and further save it. And now we will go to the files and we will create a new folder. Here I have saved the new folder with the name web 201. Now I'm going to open the Visual Studio. Here I have saved a one file with the name chatbot in the same folder which I have created before, like web 201. Here I have saved the chatbot in the web 201. Now I'm going to explain about the code that will link to my uh, chatbot. Here I have used a Node Telegram bot API. It is a generally a package which links to our chatbot, and here I have used the token which that token is given to me by the bot father is generally different to everyone. Here polling is generally used to check for the fresh data over a given interval by periodically making API requests to the server. And here bot on is generally used to indicate read and operations on the telegram. Here I have oh, given the comments that if I have given the hi, then the output should be hello, and if other than hi, it should given under not understood. Now I'm going to the my have to go to the folder where we have saved this file, and now going to the folder, click on the file, just one right click. After clicking, the path will be selected, clear it and type cmd. It will direct us to the command prompt. We have to run our code. For running our code, we will use the command node file name. Here my code file name is chatbot.js, so I will type node chatbot.js, and we get output like this, and we will go to the telegram now. In telegram now we can see that if I type hi, the output will be hello. If I type some random word, it will give us not understood. Now I'm going to explain how to find your API key. Here we have some of the list of links, so we can find able to our API keys, and we will find about the weather, so we will log in into the weather API. Here we have to sign up for getting our API key. Already I have my account, so I will just log in into it. After login, we can see that I have my API key. So we have to copy it for further use. For getting the URL, we have to search for the URL. Now I'm going to the API documentation. Here I have to paste my key and here is my URL. Here URL should be copied and should be pasted in the next tab so that we get the information in string format about the matter. For converting the string into object, I will use the online JSON viewer. I will paste it here and the text will be converted into the objects. Here we can see that I have objects of location, current and condition. We get the information like this. And now coming to our code. Here I already explained about the first three lines before. Now I have taken the request. Here request is a function to exchange like send or receive the data from the servers by making HTTPS request. And that's why I have taken the URL in the request. And I also take the three parameters in the functions like error, response and body. Here whenever I have given any city name, it should give the condition of the city name. That's why in else blocks I have taken the current dot condition dot text. Here we can see that in JSON condition is present in the current. That's why I have taken the current dot condition dot text. And in code, if I have given any other than city, then it have to give the default reply. Please enter the correct city name. Now we will go to the Telegram chatbot. If I whenever I give a city name like Delhi, it have given the answer clear. That means the weather of the Delhi is clear. And other than city like Delhi, it will give the response like please enter the correct city name. Now we have created a website with weather API.